Hey, do you know what lowbrow art means? Like the actual word lowbrow. A lot of people mistakenly think it's like lowbrow with a W on it in the end, like, bros and shit. But it's not. It actually refers to your eyebrows. There's some different explanations, but one of them is that in the fine art galleries, people are their eyebrows are going up, when they look at the like beautiful artworks and stuff like that. And with lowbrow art, it can be something like offensive or ugly or something like that. People are frowning like, what the fuck, and the brows go down. No, that's the story that I've always told, and that's the first story I heard. But recently, I found out about this I can't even fucking say it. Physiognomy. The philosophers from Greece, they had the thought that, from a person's facial features, you could actually see if it was a criminal. And they thought, you could measure the distance from the nose to whatever. And one of the main traits of like a bad person or maybe like an evil person or a criminal was if the brow was low in the head. And they had the theory that would be, that's like a bad person or unintelligent person, a person who's like deviant from society. And if you know a lot of artists, that's really throwing them a bone. I don't know, I'm not sure. It could have been like Ed Roth or it could have been Crump or, maybe some other guys. Those artists that went totally crazy and draw crazy monsters and crazy women and crazy cars and all kinds of weird stuff, like anti-establishment kind of thing. So, of course, yeah, we're going to be the lowbrow artists because we are the artists who are, like, we don't care about your fancy rules. We don't care what we should paint or not. We just paint what's funny. To me, at least, that's the spirit of lowbrow art, and I really like it. And I totally love that I found this new story with the word that I'm not gonna say again, because I think it just makes even more sense. And it's cool. That's what we're doing. It's not supposed to be pretty. It's supposed to, first of all, I think the most important thing is that you are supposed to have fun creating it. And then it doesn't really matter, what the rest of the world thinks about it. And today I think there's like a lot of lowbrow artists and, maybe some people will not even consider it lowbrow art. It's sometimes also known as pop surrealism. But altogether, I think it's the most fun art form there is because there's no rules. You can do whatever you want. You want to make a girl with 3 eyes holding a penguin or whatever, go ahead, knock yourself out. And it doesn't have to be super pretty. Some of it is like super technical, very cool, very well done. But I also see something that is like from a technical perspective, very crude, but it's still super fucking awesome. So yeah, that's all for me now. And that is lowbrow art. A person's facial features, you could see if it's so fucking whack, but yeah.